There we go. God, if I could just hold my hands still. Say something real loud because I'm getting ready to. I tell you. Hey, Trump. Okay, we're going up a hill. My ears just popped. Did yours?
Yeah.
This is going to be a cool video. Can y'all tell we're climbing? Ooh, we're being passed. Okay. I think everybody gets the picture now. Oh, there's someone else is going by us.
I don't like that.